Hey everyone, welcome back to Boats Yacht, your go-to channel for all things boating and yachting. I'm your host, Boats, and today we're diving into a review of the Cobalt R5, a luxury bowrider that's been making waves in the boating world. Whether you're a seasoned boater or just dreaming of your first day on the water, this boat has something for everyone. So, let's get started and explore what makes the Cobalt R5 such a standout choice for your next adventure on the lake or coastline. First, let's talk about the key features of the Cobalt R5 that make it a top pick for boating enthusiasts. This boat is a mid-sized bowrider, measuring just under 26 feet in length with a beam of 8 feet 6 inches, giving it a spacious feel without being overwhelming to handle. It can comfortably accommodate up to 14 people, which makes it perfect for family outings or a day on the water with friends. The Cobalt R5 comes equipped with a variety of engine options, typically powered by Volvo Penta or Mercruiser engines ranging from 300 to 430 horsepower, so you can choose the power level that suits your needs. One of the standout features is the patented swim step platform, which lowers below the water's surface, making it super easy for swimmers of all ages to get in and out of the water. You also get a walk-through transom and an aft sunpad, which are great for lounging or gearing up for water sports. The helm is packed with modern tech, including dual Garmin glass cockpit touchscreens for navigation and a premium audio system with Bluetooth connectivity, so you can keep the tunes going all day long. Now, let's move on to the design of the Cobalt R5, because this boat is a real head-turner. Cobalt has always been known for its sleek and sporty aesthetic, and the R5 is no exception. The exterior features smooth, stylish lines that give it an aggressive yet elegant stance on the water. The hull is made of fiberglass with a deep V design, which not only adds to its sharp look but also ensures a stable and smooth ride, even in choppy conditions. You can customize the gel coat with a variety of colors to match your style, and the stainless steel accents, like the bow scuff plate and fender clips, add a touch of class. The wakeboard tower, which is often included or available as an option, isn't just functional for towing, it also gives the boat a sporty edge. One thing I love about the design is how seamlessly the swim platform and sunpad are integrated into the overall look. It's not just about function here, but also about creating a cohesive and polished appearance that screams luxury. Moving inside, the interior features of the Cobalt R5 are where it really shines for comfort and practicality. The cockpit is spacious and designed with wraparound, yacht-style seating that's double-stitched and upholstered in premium vinyl, which feels as soft as leather but is built to withstand the elements. The seats are ergonomically designed with Varidense padding, so you can spend hours on the water without feeling sore. Up at the bow, there's a unique layout with a lounger seat on the port side and a captain-style seat on the starboard side, both with folding armrests for extra comfort. Storage is a big plus here. There are compartments for life vests, anchors, and other gear, plus a deep step-down head compartment with a tinted skylight and a standard porta potty, which can be upgraded to an electric porcelain toilet if you want a bit more luxury. The flooring options, like the seagrass covering, add an elegant touch while being durable with rubber backing and stainless steel snaps. You'll also find plenty of cup holders, 42 of them, to be exact, so everyone on board can keep the drinks close. The attention to detail in the interior, from the leather-wrapped steering wheel to the RGB lighting that sets the mood at night, really makes the Cobalt R5 feel like a high-end retreat on the water. When it comes to performance, the Cobalt R5 delivers in a way that's both thrilling and reliable. Thanks to its deep V-hull design, this boat cuts through the water with ease, offering a smooth and dry ride even when the waves pick up. The engine options I mentioned earlier give you plenty of power to play with. Whether you're cruising at a leisurely pace or pushing the throttle for some serious speed, the R5 handles it beautifully. Reviewers have noted its agility, often describing it as having the spring of a racehorse, and the ability to carve tight, smooth turns that feel almost effortless. The forward-facing stern drive system, often a Volvo Penta, not only boosts performance but also keeps the propellers safely positioned away from swimmers, which is a big plus for safety-conscious boaters. If you're into water sports, the R5 is a great choice. It can create a solid wake for wakeboarding or tubing, and the optional tow mode on some engines makes it easy to dial in the perfect speed. The boat's pivot point is slightly forward, which allows for faster and sharper turns, though new drivers might need a little practice to get the hang of it. Overall, the performance of the Cobalt R5 strikes a great balance between sporty handling and the kind of stability you want for a relaxing day on the water. Finally, let's wrap up with the unique selling points that set the Cobalt R5 apart from the competition. One of the biggest draws is its build quality. Cobalt has a reputation for using top-tier materials and meticulous craftsmanship, and the R5 is no exception. The hull is reinforced with Kevlar in some areas, making it incredibly durable, and the fit and finish is often compared to that of a megayacht. Another standout is the free space reclamation design, which maximizes interior space by narrowing the gunnels, giving you more room to move around and relax. The flip-down swim step, now a standard feature, is a game-changer for easy water access, and the Sundeck convertible lounger lets you create a rear-facing seat for two, perfect for watching the action behind the boat. Tech-wise, the dual Garmin touchscreens and Rockford Fosgate sound system give you a premium experience, while features like the electric windlass controls and Lenco trim tabs make operation a breeze. Cobalt also offers a ton of customization options, from exterior colors to interior finishes, so you can make the R5 truly your own. And let's not forget the brand's reputation for holding value. Owners often praise the R5 for its strong resale value and long-term durability, making it a smart investment for anyone looking to get into boating. So, there you have it, folks, the Cobalt R5 in all its glory. From its sleek design and luxurious interior to its impressive performance and standout features, this boat is a fantastic choice for anyone who wants to elevate their time on the water. If you're thinking about getting one for yourself, I'd definitely recommend checking it out in person to see all these features up close. Have you had a chance to take a Cobalt R5 out on the water, or do you have another favorite Bowrider? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and ring the bell so you never miss an update from Boats Yacht. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the water.